Welcome back to our channel. The topic that we'll be discussing today is making money watching videos 2022. But before we start, subscribe to our channel and don't miss any updates. And before I get into the details of this video, let me put this very straight, that whatever we'll be following and the method that will help us make legit money will never ever require any sort of registration fee. Also, first things first, I would ask you to better get a PayPal account as this is the mandatory thing to sign up with. Now, coming to the setup part, visit PayPal's website and click the register button in the upper right corner, and then simply select the type of account you want, personal account or business account, and click next. After doing that, just enter your phone number and verify your number. Once done, add your name, email address, and password and then click continue. The next step requires you to add your address and other required information, then click continue. While the debit, credit, or bank information is an optional step, it is totally on you. If you want to skip it, you can just get over it. Finally, click the link in the email sent to you by PayPal to verify your email address. I hope that was easy and understandable. Now finally, getting to the money-making deal of this video. What you gotta do is go over the website called Shutterstock.com. Shutterstock is a global supplier of stock photography, stock footage, stock music, and editing tools. It's basically a high-quality inventory media service for creative professionals, so it provides more than just still images. Moreover, the website has got dedicated material libraries, and each media format has its own license terms. All of Shutterstock's licenses are royalty-free, so you can use the images without time limits. Just by signing up for free at Shutterstock, you can for real explore their millions of high-quality, cheap stock photos. When you check similar websites, you would see that the traffic for Shutterstock.com is on a consistent rise, so not only are there millions of people who visit the website, and hence, you also have a grand opportunity of making a lot of money from this website. Now, discussing the method we'll be using to make money through this website is to finally get onto the website. Next, you gotta do is to first scroll down to the bottom of the site and then click on the category that says Sell Your Content, and you'll find this category right below the contributor sections. Once you click on that option, the page will redirect to the concerned page. Here, you can showcase your work and grow your skills by just joining their international community. In addition, the platform even offers tools, tips, and support to help artists around the world earn even more. To do so, all you have to do is quickly upload and submit your content, create and share your personalized portfolio page, and easily track your earnings with our smart tools. Photographers only earn after the content is downloaded by many users. Hence, the more downloads, the more of the money they get. Besides, the referral is the best option you can try to add some more money into your wallet. You simply earn even more by referring new contributors and customers. But to start earning money, registration is a mandatory thing. To sign up with the contributor section, you just have to provide some basic info. On the first page, enter your full name, display name, and email address. If you're registered as a business, your full name should match your legal name or business name. Your display name is what customers will see. Your email address is where the website will contact you. When you press next, they'll send you an email to verify that the email address that you provided is valid. And then add your address. If your residential address and mailing address are different, please enter your residential address and mailing address. Address information can only be entered in English. And that's it, you're done. You can now browse your account dashboard and start uploading your content. The website will be now shifting to so-called IDPLR.com. IDPLR.com is the largest PLR membership website since 2008. It currently offers more than 12,590 different PLR products and has more than 76,000 members worldwide. For people who don't have the time or resources to create their own products and content, the platform can be a solution. What you have to do is click on the option that says Resell, as that will help us get some pictures and stuff. Once you have clicked on the option, it'll take you to a page that says Graphics with Resell Rights, which symbolizes that we have total claims to profit from these photographs. And moreover, the truth is that these photographs are all organized together into packages. There are some conditions that you have as regards to this site. One of such conditions is your capacity to alter the product, as the product has been configured so much that you might possibly not be capable to change or modify any settings on them. As a result, better keep that in mind about the same and read everything before downloading the photographs. Well, to download the images, you have to first create an account on the website just by clicking on the register button. And once you have created the account, you're now free to download all the packages available on this page. Once downloaded, now quickly shift to Shutterstock to upload all of your photographs. Every picture gets $10 per click. Hence, the more the downloads, the more the money you get. Wasn't that simple? This was all about it. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section.